Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Okay, I'm just leaving Parliament now because I've been thrown out for calling Boris Johnson a liar. But he is a liar. He's lied to the House and the country over and over again, and I've had enough and I needed to call it out. So I'm leaving Parliament.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm there again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, before I get into certain details, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a female politician from within the United Kingdom who goes by the name of Dawn Butler, who said that she had been thrown out of Parliament because she called Boris Johnson a liar. Now, this happened sometime within the month of July, the year 2021, within the United Kingdom, of course, and Boris Johnson is the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. In my point of view, it seems as if the female is or was concerned about what's going on within her country, you know, and you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. You see it? So brace yourself, because I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and these videos shows some things that might surprise some of you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded, but this video is about a couple who brought a injured homeless man to his brother's house. And in my point of view, it seems as if the couple was hoping that the injured homeless man's brother would help him. See? Now, according to some things that have been shown and said in the video, I got the understanding that the injured homeless man's brother didn't want to help the homeless man at the time when the video had been recorded. I do not know what happened after the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. And the couple said that they had been taking care of the injured homeless man for more than 2 months. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video, alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe.
This young boy just come and go by him with a cutlass. And when he run out in the road, right? He run out in the road and run out in a car hit him and break his legs so badly. More than one bones in his legs are broken. And we stand all the responsibility back and forth from the hospital. It was us all along. No help. May God have mercy. May God have mercy.
If I do you am to you, don't want help just like him to
send help, Jesus. Cover him under your blood, God, and send help.
You don't want help just like him to, if anything will happen to you, you know.
Not like we are rich, we're just trying.
You have a chair in the way, you can sit down out there, so.
We're just trying to help. Don't know what to do now. Don't know what to do. Went down to parish council and we asked for assistance for them to take him, right? For them to take in, and no assistance because of what is happening with the COVID and this whole pandemic and everything. They're not taking anybody in the infirmary, and we take him and have him at our home for almost 3 months.
We can't lock you down, I can't even go in
almost
sleep.
3 months.
Visit at night and
just because
so we are going to reach out to the police and they come and assist you as much
they
as
don't want him there because of family land.
Jano, viewers and subscribers, if that man really and truly is his brother and that man don't help him brother, then on a real, it's sad. I wonder what could have caused for him not want to help him brother. You see it? Anyways, I'm not going to jump to a conclusion or say certain things I don't know about, so I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. This video is going to show a male police officer plotting a little girl's hair. Viewers and subscribers, I want to say big up and respect to this police officer shown in the video. You see? Yeah, I want to say big him up. You see what I say? Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and let me know what you think about the video. Observe.
That's right, you see? Yes, that's right. Yes, you're seeing right. Yes, you see, we need men in our homes. You know, men can do this thing too. And men would have definite strong impact on our young girls in our homes. So we need a lot of these things. Alright, but praying people, call upon God and let him exalt himself with his blessings upon us. Alright.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, you know, so I don't see nothing wrong with that video there. I don't see nothing wrong with a man a plot a girl here, you know. See? And you know, so you have some people who might say, oh, a man is not supposed to plot a woman's hair, especially when it comes down to Jamaica culture, you see? But, I don't see nothing wrong with it. Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you, alright? Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.